Hey everyone, happy Saturday. At least I hope it is for you guys. Amazon has let me down yet again. Ordered a wheel bearing for this. Ordered some speakers for that. Supposed to be here yesterday. Still aren't here yet today. Wheel bearing for this probably isn't going to be here until Monday. It's in town. It's down at the post office, but the post office is closed, so I can't go get it. So that's cool. But I don't know if you guys remember last video. Probably can't really see it very well, but wheel bearing's got some play, so we might as well just tear it apart right now, get it ready. So guess we'll see how far we make it there. Tear it down, see what else is bad, see what else is messed up, and come Monday hopefully I can get it put back together, because Tuesday I leave to go on a trip going to the Oregon coast. So we'll see, but checking with you in a little bit. So I've never done a wheel bearing on one of these before, so here I was kind of looking around trying to see what I got to do. Yeah, there's the 3 bolts right there. So I'm guessing I got to pull the caliper to pull the rotor to pull that, and who knows what else I'm gonna fight. But and looking at that, I noticed that. See that? That's cool, huh? Can you see it better here? All that play. So then I'm like, huh, well maybe this nut's loose. The whole thing moves around. So that's cool. And I still don't know how the thing's lowered. I have no idea. I guess there's some writing right there, because I have no idea if it has drop spindles, if somebody cut the coils. No idea. The guy I bought it from, no idea, because I don't really like, after doing the roll pan, how high the back end is. So to lower the back end more, I'd have to notch it. I don't really feel like doing that, which leaves me to lifting the front end, but I don't know how to lift it if I don't know how it's lowered. So problem for a different day. Let's continue on getting this wheel bearing off. Okay, well, got the caliper unbolted, got the wiring all undone. Rotor's really on there. I don't see any holes in here to put a bolt, try and press it, so leaves one option. Let's do this. I think it's working. I'm gonna keep doing it. Gotta put the camera down though. Well, quick little update for you. The old Harbor Freight dead blow. It's not doing so hot. Kind of old though, maybe it's time for a new one, but rotor's also still on. I kept beating on it for a while, and something was moving, but it wasn't the rotor. So then I unbolted it. We got a little bit of a gap there. So now I'm just trying to get it off and get it all the way out. So we'll just keep hitting it with a hammer. Boom. Got it off. Don't really see the point in this. Don't know if we'll put it back on. There's that. Now I just gotta try and get the rotor off of it. So more hammer. Got it. Well, it's trying to rain. And UPS, or not UPS, USPS and Amazon wouldn't have screwed me over. I'd be putting this thing back together right now, but nope. Now I gotta wait till Monday. This is cool. Okay, so I take back some of what I said about USPS and Amazon, because here it is, 4:30. Just had to run to work. And I got a wheel bearing. Okay, here it is. Let's unbox this. Most Plus. What could go wrong? Yep. Looks like a wheel bearing. Nope. Yep. Looks almost like the old one, except not old. So okay. Well, let's try and install this thing. See what happens. Well, it's all bolted on. Spins. Has no play. Says Most Plus on it. Still sounds really cheap. We're gonna run it anyways, so I'll finish putting it back together. Check with you in a little bit. Bam, just like that. Rotor's on, calipers on, wires all ran. It came with new clips, but I wasn't sure if it was going to, so I just left all of the old ones on there, and rather than fighting those again, I just reused those. So I guess now we'll just put the wheel and tire on, set it down, and then you know what time it is. Time to go make some clouds, test this out. Well, wheel and tire's all back on, so just a little test. I mean, there is no play in it. Trying to shake it at all. There is side to side, but that's in the steering. That's for a different day. Future problems, so seems to be good so far. Well, that's a plus.